Welcome back YouTube to Rick's YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how you can use your Xbox One controller to play Battleground on your mobile device. So first off, you're going to have to pair your Xbox controller to your mobile device. So first off, you want to make sure your Bluetooth is on. Then go into Bluetooth settings. Make sure your Xbox controller is on and then press the pairing button. Keep your finger on that for 5 seconds until it starts flashing, and as you can see, my Xbox controller has popped up on the screen. So I'm going to click that. It's saying pairing now, and my Xbox controller is now connected to my mobile device. So once that's connected, back out of there, hit Battlegrounds. Wait for that to load. So log into Battleground. So once you're in the lobby, you're going to have to resort to your mobile device screen because unfortunately it doesn't do anything with the controller on the lobby screen. So click start, wait for the game to load again. As you can see, I'm moving around perfectly okay. It is a bit slow, but that could be down to the sensitivity. You can change that in the settings. But I can control my player using the controller. Unfortunately, I found out that the buttons do not do anything. The triggers don't allow you to punch or fire, so it is pretty sort of pointless at the moment using a controller. Anyway, when you get in the plane, there's no option to jump out on the controller, so you're going to have to resort to your mobile phone screen again. The only button that does anything is to exit the game. So unfortunately, it's not a very good way to play Battlegrounds on your mobile, but it does work. I hope that helps someone out. Thanks for watching.